One by one cable crosses are a little bit tricky to work with a cable needle because you're trying to move just one stitch around. So for a one by one right cross, if you were doing with the cable needle, you'd put this first stitch on a cable needle, hold it to the back, knit the next one, and then come back to this. But the problem is, because you're holding just a single stitch on the cable needle, it has a tendency of sliding off. But you can actually do this completely on the needles. So if you come in here to the second stitch, you can knit that stitch, leave both of those stitches on the needle, and then come back and knit the first one. So you've got a one by one cable cross leaning to the right, all worked on the needle. There's actually even another way of doing that that's a little bit of a hack, and it comes out the same way. You can knit these two stitches together, leave them on the needle, and then knit into the first stitch. And you can see that that creates a one by one cable cross as well, just worked a little bit differently. Let me undo this. Now the left cross is a little different because with that, if it was on a cable needle, this would be on the front on your cable needle. You'd work this stitch and then you come back and work this. So you want this one leaning in front to the left. So that means what we want to do is come into the back and work the second stitch first of all. So I'll come into the back loop of that second stitch and knit it, but leave everything on the needle. And then I can come into the front one and knit that from the front and slip it off. So that creates a one by one left lean. And the reason that works is the first stitch, which we knit through the back loop, you can't see that it's in the back loop, so it doesn't cause any problems. You don't see any twisted stitches, but it's much easier to come in and work at the back here. So that is the easiest way of working a one by one left leaning cable in my mind. So go try it out and let me know which one you prefer.